Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is completely like off the bat. Is that the right word? I've literally just decided just now to film this video and to do what I'm going to do. I'm going to do my hair. So it is the 31st of October today, so happy Halloween and happy Samhain to anyone who like celebrates. That is what I thought, you know what, let's do it. New starts, new beginnings and all that jazz. Let's do something different with my hair. So this is either hopefully going to be up on the 31st or the 1st of November. Hopefully I'm going to get it up at least on one of those days. So that's kind of what's inspired this video. Now, I actually really like my hair at the minute. It's really greasy at the minute and he's washing. Obviously we're going to colour it. So I love the blonde and I don't want to get rid of it. And I like the dark into the blonde. So what I was thinking, I really miss my ginger hair and I miss my pink hair, but I've gone with, because of the time of year and that, I thought let's go with the ginger. So what I was thinking is if I just pop some like semi-permanent ginger on and just blend it down and still have the blonde but also have the ginger, so then we've got the best of both worlds. We've got the ginger and the blonde. That's my plan. So I'm going to show you what I've got to use. I'm going to pop you down here. Oh, there we go. So I've got this, which is the Via Natural Semi-Permanent Hair Colour Intense Grey Coverage. This is Copper Penny. I've used this in videos before. It's only going to want to focus on my face, so I'm really sorry about that, guys. Yeah, anyway, it's really old. I don't even know if they still do that anymore. Then I've got the Adore Cajun Spice. I think that's how you say that. That's quite an orangey one. Then this is very orangey. This is a crazy colour. It's called Coral Red, but it's basically just really orange. And then I've got this now. I'm not 100% sure what colour this is. I have used it before. This is Cognac. I think that's how you would say that. And I believe I've used this before when I've had my hair ginger. That's everything, isn't it? Yeah. So what I thought is if this is a bit more of a darker colour, this is really orange, so they'll mix together alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up a concoction and I'm going to put it on my roots. I'm not going to film the whole thing just because I feel like it'll be a little bit boring. Also, I don't know how much charge this camera's got because obviously this wasn't a planned video. So I'm thinking if I pop it on my roots to like just to about here, like try and feather it down to around about here, then I'm going to mix some conditioner in with the mixture and pull it further down, because I know my hair is dark, but I think it will still take, as long as it's like pure, I think it will tinge it. All I want is that tinge of like copperiness to it, but then I'll be able to add a bit of conditioner to pull it down to the other ends. I'm thinking to like maybe about here, somewhere around here, so that all this is still really blonde. Oh, this is something that I haven't done with my hair before, which is very exciting for me because I've done everything with my hair. So I'm gonna get started and I'm just gonna keep checking in with you guys, and I'm so excited. Right, okay, so I've got it all over my roots, and guys, this was so much harder than I anticipated because trying not to get it anywhere else is an actual nightmare. So I don't know how good this is going to turn out, but we will find out. So my plan now is to kind of just, using my fingers, pull it through. As you can see, like there's bits here and that. It doesn't matter that much about those bits because I'm going to be mixing up the conditioner and that's going to come to like down here. But sort of from here onwards, I don't really want there to be any ginger. So it is going to be hard. Also, I don't know what's going to happen when I wash it out, whether it's going to run through or whether it'll wash pretty much through and be fine. We'll find out, won't we? So I'm going to make up a concoction now. Just to let you know, this one was empty, so I didn't even end up using it, but I used all the other ones. And it is quite dark, actually. I think because I think it should tone my roots to like a dark ginger. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to make up a bit of a concoction now. And I'm going to then go back in with that. But it's going to hopefully just be not as pigmented as this. You can't really tell. Like, if this was to go all over the blonde, my hair would be like really bright ginger, which would be so nice. But I figured if I try and like tone it down slightly so that I can get a blend. Please let this work. Right, so I've applied it all. I've still got quite a bit left because I needed to make a little bit more, and I made more than I needed. But what I'm going to do now is just spend some time just going through and kind of like feathering it down, kind of. And I'm going to go in with what I've got left as well and like pull it down. I think that I might want to pull it down a little bit more than it is. Maybe like, I don't know though, because obviously if it was naturally like a natural ombre, you wouldn't have it too far down, would you? But I might just pull some strands a bit further down. But I love the colour. I want it all this colour now, but no, because I do love the blonde as well. So that's basically all I'm going to do now. Just with the conditioned bits, I'm just going to pull, do you see how like here there's like some strands that go further down? I think that's going to be the best way to do it, is just pull some strands further down and I'll leave like some higher up. So that's what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to probably leave it on for like half an hour and wash it off. It's the washing it off I'm a bit worried about, so we'll see how that goes. Right guys, it has been on for like a good half hour now, so I'm going to jump in the shower and that and wash it off and just hope that it doesn't, like if it tinges it a little bit then it's all good, but I want to keep my blonde a little bit. Oh, please don't be super patchy either. Who knows? Who knows? We'll find out once I wash it off. I think I'm going to dry it and straighten it as well. So, fingers crossed. Right, guys. I've got out of the shower and my hair is wet still. I'm going to blow dry it and straighten it. I can't really show you properly because I'm not fully dressed, not going to lie. But it has tinged the ends, but it looks very, like, quite a natural fade, which I'm really excited about. So, I'm going to blow dry it. And I might come back before I straighten it just to show you, but let's just get on with this and see what it looks like. So this is like, this is the end result, I guess. Wow, my hair's so long that I can't even fit it all in the freaking clip. Hello? So I've got like my light shining on it so that you can see, but I'm well chuffed with it, you know. The blend, I'm feeling the blend. Oh, you can't even see that well. I've got the ring light on and everything. I hope there's no like knickers and bras and whatnot in the background, you know what I mean? Like, hello. But hang on, let me try, where can I put it so that the lights, I've just put you in front of the light. Oh yeah, that works. So I really like the way that it's turned out. It obviously it has, this was like really white blonde in my opinion, but I think because it's bled through, it's made the blend look so much like better. In terms of the roots, there's the tiniest tinge to it. Like, let's be real, it's not going to dye dark hair, that's not what it's for, it's meant for lighter hair. But it has given it the tiniest tinge. I reckon after maybe 1 or 2 washes that will probably go, but I still think it looks good. I liked my hair when it was like dark to blonde, so why should it be any different if it's like dark to ginger, dark to red, dark to blue, you know what I mean? Like, why should it be any different? I would love it to look like my roots were ginger. I'd love it to look like I was a natural ginger and then I had blonde ombre to it. It's not gonna happen, is it? Let's be real. Because I don't want to put anything, what I've put on my hair in this video, there's no damage done. It's literally all just semi-permanent, it's going to wash out, there's no damage done to the hair, other than the hair drying and the straightening, which I know. But I'm really pleased with the way, how it kind of just goes. Ooh. Hello. I love it, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And happy Samhain, everyone. Happy Halloween. Happy, oh, I don't really know. Happy birthday, if it's anybody's birthday out there right now. So I am actually going to see a friend of mine, Charlie Hex. She is performing tonight, that's where I'm going. I've had a drink, not gonna lie. I've had a Bacardi, oh, it's all gone. Yeah. Well, I had a Bacardi and Red Thunder from Aldi. Shout out to Aldi. Also have stuck with glue my nails on that I made. There is a video coming for these nails. It's not gonna focus. It's not gonna, oh, it is gonna focus. So yeah, these are literally just, I made, the press-on ones, I've done press-on ones before. If you're new to my channel, you might not know. I've done press-on ones before. I've just applied these with glue and I'm hoping to, gosh, they're gonna stay on tonight. Otherwise, I will probably cry. Well, I probably will because I'll be too drunk to know, but it's fine. So I'm really excited to go and see her. I've not seen her perform before, so it should be really, really good. I really was like, shall I take my camera and vlog and stuff? But I just don't think I'm going to be in the right kind of like soberness to do so. It is Samhain, so like, you know, yeah. I just really like it. I'm really glad I've chosen to do it today and just sort of, it's been there like for 6 months now. Maybe probably even longer than that, of me like, oh, I want to go ginger again. Oh, I'm going to dye my hair pink. I'm going to dye my hair ginger. And it was like, no. Because I do love the blonde. I do love my hair blonde. But I feel like this way, yes, I have gone sort of gingerish, but we're almost kind of like a strawberry blonde at the same time. Like, it does fade to blonde, and it's gonna fade every time I wash it. It's gonna fade and fade and fade, and it will just fade. But I didn't want to do anything that was gonna damage my hair. I've been, for such a long time, I've been like all about colouring my hair. And if you guys do remember, if anyone is here from the days when my hair was like this short, literally like not even like shorter than that, if anyone is here from them, please comment down below, because wow, that it's like another life. I don't even, look how long it is. How is it, this is all my hair, how is it this long? How is it this long? My poor nipples, I just, yeah. But how is it this long? Anyway, I love you guys so much. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you've been here for a while, comment down below, because I want to know that you have been here and you're still here. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I hope this video was alright. I know I didn't show you like the actual application, but you don't really need to see that. You need to see how I've started, the products I've used, I've explained what I've done, and then this is the result. So if you have got like blonde hair at home, then you know you can get like similar results. If your hair is dark, like you've seen now, this is the results you'll get if your hair is dark. There's not going to be much happening. There isn't. It's not strong enough. It can't penetrate dark hair. Anyway, yeah. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye!